Hello, everybody. Welcome back. There's enhanced risk of severe weather today and tomorrow for the southern United States. And as we head into Tuesday, there's going to be another threat of severe weather. Let's start with where we're at right now. A severe thunderstorm watch is currently in effect for most of eastern Texas, as well as a tornado watch for southeastern Texas and parts of Louisiana as well. They're also monitoring Oklahoma currently for a tornado watch and a severe thunderstorm watch. Those will be issued separately accordingly. So the tornado watch will probably occur along southwestern Oklahoma, where that 5% risk is, where there could be a tornado or two, and that severe risk, that severe thunderstorm watch will occur outside of that small area where that tornado watch will be issued. Very large hail possible today in southwestern Oklahoma, potentially heading into central Oklahoma as well. Lots of severe wind as that turns into mainly linear threat. So it's going to change from a tornado or two, very large hail possible in the next few hours here. And then it's going to gradually overnight tonight become more of a line of storms producing a severe wind threat. By the time, at the same time, we're going to have a set of systems down in the southern United States and eastern Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. That's going to be a mainly wind threat, but again, early there's going to be that hail threat, and there's a tornado threat throughout the length of these storms, as the type of storms that these are can produce tornadoes on the south end of the line of storms. We call those QLCS tornadoes. And we could see that tornado risk go up from 5% to 10% at 3 o'clock Central Time. We're going to continue to monitor the Storm Prediction Center for changes with that. So again, all severe hazards possible today. Let's take a look at the latest model from the HRRR. We see at 9 p.m. tonight that line of severe storms in central Oklahoma making its way through there, and then scattered storms, generally severe here and there, with severe lines as well as discrete, that is singular supercells as well, especially at that point in eastern Texas. Moving on to 3 o'clock this morning, this is actually the 18Z HRRR model, the one that is coming out right now as I speak. We see that line of storms that was in Oklahoma is now on the Ark-La-Tex region, and then that cluster of storms in Texas and Louisiana has now moved into Mississippi and Alabama, and we can see it becoming a very clear and more pronounced line of storms, clearly with little bits of rotation in there as well, that we're going to want to continue to monitor. And by the time we get to noon tomorrow, it's going to be making its way through the Florida Panhandle into Georgia and the Carolinas. As a result, an enhanced risk of severe weather is possible tomorrow as well. Severe hail going to be a threat, as well as tornadoes over that Alabama and Georgia area. Remember, we have to wait for heating to come out, the sun to come up, in order to have a continued threat. That's why overnight, when it's over Mississippi, it should calm down for a little bit, but it's still probably going to be severe to an extent. That's why severe storms die out at night. And then as that will continue to make its way off the coast as it continues to affect the Florida Panhandle, Georgia, and the Carolinas. Again, enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow for the southeastern United States. By the time we get to Tuesday, this is the final thing. Central Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, all possible for a decently big severe weather event. There still remains lots of uncertainty, so we'll continue to keep you guys updated as we get closer to Tuesday. That's all for now. Chris Dixon, InfoWeather, Catholic Media.